Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best courses available on Skillshare, an online learning platform that offers thousands of creative business and technology courses to help you enhance your skills and boost your career. Course 1. The first course on our list is Graphic Design Basics, Core Principles for Visual Design by Ellen Lupton. This course is perfect for beginners who want to learn the fundamentals of graphic design. It covers topics such as color theory, typography, and composition, and provides practical exercises to help you apply what you've learned. Course 2. The second course on our list is Creative Writing for All, a 10-day journaling challenge by Emily Gould. This course is ideal for those who want to improve their writing skills or explore their creativity through journaling. In just 10 days, you'll learn how to develop a writing practice, find inspiration, and write with more clarity and confidence.
Course 3. Next up is Productivity Masterclass, Create a Custom System That Works by Thomas Frank. This course is perfect for anyone who struggles with procrastination or wants to become more productive. You'll learn how to set goals, manage your time, and create a system that works for you. Course 4. Our fourth course is Photography Basics, From Shooting to Editing by Justin Bridges. This course is perfect for beginners who want to improve their photography skills. You'll learn how to use your camera, compose great shots, and edit your photos using Adobe Lightroom. Course 5. We have Social Media Marketing, Top Tips for Growing Your Followers and Going Viral by Kat Coquelet. This course is ideal for anyone who wants to grow their social media presence or use social media to promote their business. You'll learn how to create engaging content, build a following, and use social media analytics to measure your success.
Course 6, Watercolor for Beginners, The Basics by Yasmina Creates is a wonderful course for anyone interested in learning how to paint with watercolors. You'll learn about color theory, brush techniques, and how to create beautiful paintings step by step. Course 7, Introduction to Coding, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript by Brad Schiff is a great course for anyone interested in web development. You'll learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and build your own website from scratch. Course 8. Interior Design Basics, Simple Steps to Your Perfect Space by Lauren Cox is perfect for anyone looking to improve their home decor or start a career in interior design. You'll learn how to create mood boards, choose color palettes, and design a space that's both beautiful and functional.
Course 9. Digital Illustration, Learn to Use Procreate by Brooke Glazer is a fantastic course for anyone interested in digital art. You'll learn how to use Procreate, a popular drawing app, to create stunning illustrations using brushes, layers, and blending modes. And finally, Entrepreneurship Fundamentals. Discover, validate, and start your business idea by Kim Perrell is ideal for anyone interested in starting their own business. You'll learn how to come up with a business idea, validate it, and create a plan for launching and growing your business. As we sum it all up, we hope you found our list of the best courses on Skillshare helpful. With so many courses to choose from, Skillshare is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to learn new skills or advance their career. Remember to take advantage of Skillshare's free trial and explore their vast library of courses via the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and we shall see you soon, boy.